Hello guys, I'm Amitvideo. I'm an industrial designer from SCAD, and we all were part of the first coins class from SCAD, participating with the University of Helsinki and the University of Cologne. And this was the first time that designers were part of this multicultural, multinational collaborative studio project. My project was to enhance communication and collaboration at SCAD by visualizing the department communications within SCAD. Um, the project was fun. As far as experience goes, it was a unique experience. This was the first time where I was working with people who I did not know and actually were physically did not meet each other. Our entire mode of communication within the team was through emails and Skype meetings, something which I've never done in my life. It was quite challenging as far as the experience goes. Um, we were not that successful in completing the project because we ran into trouble with privacy issues surrounding students and staffs with the IT department of SCAD. We also had some communication problems within the team, partly because their mode of communication was in German and ours was in English. But the project actually, in due course of time, fell out, much due to lack of enthusiasm between the team members and the way the entire structure was set up for the project, as we were dependent on somebody else, and because they were not releasing information, it kind of demoralized us over time, which kind of slowed down our research process as well. Um, Coming back to the role of designers, I feel that it's important for us to be involved in such projects beyond the design, because that gives us not only gives us a unique experience and a point of view what others are doing in the outside world, but at the same time it actually takes us beyond design, which is something important as designers, as we need to know. Project was that, first of all, team communication is a highly important. I cannot stress more on why team communication will bring a good team actually down. We were a very strong team. Our results, our compatibility charts and results were excellent. There was no reason why we should have not done well had we been provided enough resources, but eventually we fell apart because of the situations going around that time, and the lack of enthusiasm building up over the project time. Um, in unique situations like this where you don't get to know each other, I think the team should find time in order to know each other and their likes and dislikes, going beyond the academic interaction, because it helps people gauge and even actually share loads during stressful times. The problem with One of the problems with our team was that we were actually kind of free at the same time, and then maybe we would be all busy at the same time, and there was not enough of communication taking place in order for us to switch roles within the team, or share each other's loads. Most of the communication was taking place during the last minute, which was right before the presentations, and it wasn't working in our favor. Wise words, I guess, is that one should be a part of such projects, not only because of the end result. I think that is secondary, but the sheer participation and the experience of being in such teams and such projects is going to be worthwhile, which you can actually take in your further life. So, all the best, and hope to see you in one of the other points projects. Thanks.